Hey guys, Friday 19999 here, I think, right? Yeah. So, today, I'm recording a video, like an updated inventory tour. So, I'll just show you everything in my inventory. So, I'm actually doing commissions, but all my art's on my other account. So, I'm just gonna go through my inventory, and I have some masterpieces laid out everywhere, and just a lot of Jamality stuff from my Jamality den. Just a lot of random den items and fake den betas and stuff that I trade for real den betas. And yeah, some stuff from my Starbucks den. And if it stops like this, that's just from lag. And then a lot of cakes. And a 2016 cake, so if you want to offer for that, you can. But yeah, we also have my clothing inventory, which is pretty much empty because all my stuff's on my spare right now, besides my, Beta Tail and Furry. And I'm actually getting rare off of that technique that I showed you in that video. So if you want to do that technique, it works. These are some rare Mondays that I've gotten from it so far that are going to help me go up to another black long for my outfit. So yeah, I got a lot of these tikis because you never know if they're going to be worth something. I got some clothing betas on this AJ that I've gotten from the Forgotten Desert and stuff like that, and from the little plushie store thing. And then we have all this stuff. And then there's this other glitch where you can get stuff very easy. So what you want to do is host, and it's a glitch, not an adventure. So you want to host any of these adventures. I prefer Return of the Phantoms. Host it on hard mode. And then you see this party button, click on it. And then click on this adventure right here, or any adventure that's right there. And then it should say that you cannot go into it. This adventure, you're already in an adventure lobby. Click OK, and then you're able to switch animals into any animal. I prefer a flying animal. And then you click play. And once you load into the adventure, you can go straight for the keys, and you'll actually be a flying animal. So that's pretty cool. That's how I get some of my clothing betas. So yeah, and it works literally every time. So if you can switch animals, just switch animals and then click play, and it should work. You can get very good items out of this. If you want to see another updated inventory tour in a few days to see what I've gotten, then, well, just get 10 likes on this video. And yeah, thanks for watching, and bye guys.